Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning my Catchall planner for the week of June 7th through the 13th. I pulled out my little box with stickers from different little shops, and I'm going to just be doing a random sticker spread. I think these are from either AliExpress or Amazon, and it was just like a bunch of little sheets with stickers, and I really liked it. So let me put out my tweezers, and as you can see I have some shadowing on this side and some bleed throughs. I used the tool pen on the other side and that's what happened. Okay, anyhow, I am pulling out all those little flowers and I'm gonna start planning. And I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed. Thank you so much. This means so much to me. And if you are brand new and you just found me, I truly hope you guys like it here. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and the notification bell. Okay, I am going to start with this flower arrangement. All of these stickers are on a clear foil, so that's going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to keep adding them to the spread. I think I'm going to create like this whimsical wildflower arrangements on the bottom and go from there. I think this leather is going to be kind of fun in there too. It's going to break down just the flowers and add like an actual scene. So let's take a look. Look at that, a little like wild fence. I like those so much. I'm not sure if that's a window. I think it's a windowsill and it looks so cool. I knew I needed that in my planner the moment I saw it. I think these are so fun, like I said, and it's so different, right? Because I've been mostly using Live Love Posh, kellofaplan, and Happy Planner. I haven't really branched out too much into different stickers lately. Look at that wild patch of grass. I like adding stuff like that. It just makes it look completely different. Let's see. I'll go ahead and use my white pen to remove some of the lines to be able to put this other leather right there. And then I'm gonna add some potted plants throughout. I think that might help. And then I know exactly where I want to put this. I'm gonna black out the to-do and all of the little bullet points. And I'm gonna add that beautiful window right in there. Okay, another grass patch. I'm gonna put those little flower vases right underneath the windowsill. And now I'm getting the tiny little bits off of this page. I want to use all of it, and I'm going to be adding tiny little things to the spread all over. Oh, some of these little tiny things are so hard to come out, like take off. So, but it's worth every single effort of how cute and awesome they are. Look at these. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and continue pulling out some plants. I think that's so adorable. If you end up using one of those kits like I am, just be mindful that these stickers are so hard to peel up. Once they stick, you have to kind of go so slowly. Otherwise, it might rip your page. But I wanted to add that tray with the flower right there and then add the other vase, kind of like this. Yes, I know it doesn't make sense, but it looks pretty, so. Okay, there we go. I really love these little flower arrangements. They're so adorable. And I want to fill up like every inch of that lower section, so I'm gonna be adding lots of little things. And I love wild plants, especially the ones like this on this page. So I'm having a blast adding these in. Look how beautiful this is. I'm really enjoying adding all of those little flowers all over. I think that's so awesome. Okay, more flowers. Little tiny ones and I know these are like so random that but I hope it will make sense when I'm done, because I'm just adding a lot of stuff without any rhyme or reason. Okay, and then I have this one with circles, and I think I could incorporate this in a spread. So let's take a look, but I'm gonna add all of these small flowers in here as well. I think I need to brighten it up. It seems a little darker than the other side, and I'm gonna need to add a little bit of a lighter tones into here. Look at this flower, it's so cool. So I'll grab like a couple lighter leaves and stuff and that, and hopefully it helps. Okay, it's starting to look lighter and I really like that. And now I'm gonna add some of these like beautiful circles with graphics in it, and one more. And I am in love. It's such a busy spread, but it's so fun and different, and I can't stop looking at it. It's time to add some bullet points. I just grabbed an ink joy. I know that these don't bleed through, so I grabbed the green one, and I'm gonna make some bullet points for myself. And I think that will be it. So once I'm done with bullet points, the spread is complete. I mean, you can't really stick anything else in here. There's so much, and I truly love it. It's so different and beautiful, and like whimsical and fun and full, and a little bit out of my style, but that's okay, because I sometimes like stepping outside of my style and finding something I really like. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video with me, and if you did, again, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.